Don't be afraid to ask questions. Don't let words like full package fool you. There is always hidden fees. Ask questions. Many people think the more they ask questions is the more irritating they become to the instructor. So if you ask too many questions and you're irritating him, that means that's not the driving school for you. Just see that as a red flag. You have a right to ask questions. You're about to do a business deal with that driving school. When they tell you that full package is so much, ask them questions. When you say full package, does it include booking fees? What happens if I fail? Are you going to charge me a booking fee, or will it still be covered? Does this full package cover a truck hire? There won't be additional money to hire a truck. Ask those questions. Does this full package include money for the examiner? We are in SA. But I can tell you something. In many occasions, full package is only for driving school packages. Because in many occasions, you guys fight with driving schools simply because of certain things were not expressed in the beginning. And they feel like they shouldn't be telling you everything in details. Because if they tell you everything in details, you are going to change your mind. And you are going to realize that getting a driver's license in SA is very expensive. Now on part 3, I just want to break it down for you.